Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Discord. So you can use Discord in mobile phone, in PC, in iPad, and so on. So basically just go into the App Store or Play Store if you are in Android or iOS to download the Discord app. If you are on Windows, then you can just go here into discord.com on your browser, and then from here you click here on download for Windows right here so that you'd be able to download the app. Same goes if you are on a Mac. And then next is you also have an option to open Discord in your browser. So if you don't want to use the app, you can just click here on open Discord on your browser. So in this video, we will be using the Discord PC app version. So don't worry if you are on a mobile, like in iOS or Android, you can basically still do the things that I am going to show you here because they still have the core functions of a Discord PC version. So here, what we're gonna do first is to join or create a server. So to do that, navigate here on the left side and scroll down until you see the plus button, which is this one right here. Click on add a server. And then from here, you can create your own or you can join a server. So here in join a server, you would need an invite link in order to join a server if it's a private server. And then you can create here by just going here and for me and my friends and then naming your server and click on create, and just like that, you have now created your server. And now next are the channels and categories. So here, for example, here in the general, this is the text channels, and for the voice channels is here. So when you click here on voice channels, you would be able to join a call, and in here you'd be able to unmute or mute your microphone, just like this one right here. And you can also deafen, so this would mean that you won't be hearing anything on this call right here. So you can do that. And then next is here on the user settings. This is where you can set up your voice and microphone. So here in the voice and video, you want to click on that. And then from here, you can go for the input device right here, which is your microphone, and your output device, which is your speaker. This is where you can set it up and make sure that you are selecting the right device. And then next, you can also screen share. So you can click here on this button, it says share your screen. And then from there, you would be able to share the screen of your PC or in your mobile devices. You can also do that. And then next is a turn on camera. So if you have a webcam, then you can definitely turn on your camera so that you can show your face and so on. And next you have start an activity. So you can also start an activity here in Discord. And next would be the soundboard. So this is disabled when deafen. So let's undeafen it. So from here, you can open the soundboard and you can add soundboards right here. So you can play different sounds here in your Discord. Next, this button right here is the noise suppression powered by Krisp, and this would let you be more audible when you are in a call because this would suppress the background noise on your microphone. And then the next thing is the disconnect button. So this is where you can leave a call. So when you click on this one, you will now be leaving the call just like that. And now let's just change to a big Discord server. Like for example, this one from the Discord server of Steam. This is where you can see all of the text channels and voice channels, as you can see right here. And then next here in the right side is where you can see all of the members in the Discord server. So you can see their roles, the mod mail, Discord admins, subreddit mods, and so on. So each server have their own ranks or roles right here in their Discord server. So it might have different names, but this is where you can see all of the members. And from here, when you click on the members right here, for example, this one, you would be able to send a message right here if they allow that. And then you can also add them as a friend, and you can go here and more. And you can view their full profile, invite the server, choose your server right here, block, report user profile, or copy their user ID. So that is what you can do right here. Next, what you want to do is click here on the Discord server name. And from here, you would have a bunch of options. So what we'll be discussing here is edit server profile. And in here, you'd be able to edit your profile here in this specific server. So you can choose a server right here that you would want to edit your profile in. In my case, it's right here. So you can go for the server nickname, pronouns, and so on. But in this case, I don't have the permission to change my nickname in the server, so I won't be able to do that. But in some servers, if they allow that, you'd be able to change your nickname. So here in the user profile is where you can change your profile in all servers in general. So when you are joining a new server, this is what they will see right away. And then next, so let's just say that we are going to go here into the server that we have created. So we would have a different option right here. So if you have your own server, you can go here into the server settings, and then from here you can have more control on what happens here on your server, like roles, emoji, stickers, soundboard, widget, and so on. This is where you can set your permissions. And then next is if you would want to join servers right here that are public, like for example on big platforms like Midjourney, Genshin Impact, Honkai, then you just need to click here on this button right here on the bottom left of your screen. And from here you can just choose any server, like for example Minecraft. Right here I'm gonna click on that, and then from here I would now be able to join. So I'm just gonna go and answer this quick question. So discover what's new in Minecraft. And then from here, I am now here in their server. And if you would like to officially join the server, you want to click here on join Minecraft right here at the top. And then just like that, it will now be added here into your left side on the servers list. And next is you want to click here on the direct messages button, which is on the top left of your screen, and you will be prompted right here where you can see all of the DMs or the private messages that has happened here on your Discord account. So you can just click on anyone right here to view the conversation. And then next here is in their friends. So here we can see the online friends, the all friends that you have here on your account, the pending, friend requests, and the blocked friends or users here on Discord. And then lastly is where you can add a friend. All you have to do is just type their Discord usernames and then click here on send friend request. And then just like that, you'd be now able to send a friend request and wait for that to be accepted to be friends with that user. So yeah, that is basically it on the quick run through on how you can use Discord. Thank you for watching.